Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about Introduction to ABAP channels. What is real time in ABAP and why ABAP channels? The new technologies like cloud, mobility and in-memory open new opportunities and lead the industries to the real-time business. Become real-time business means react immediately to the market changes, provide higher responses, accelerate business process, adjust responses in real time based on changed business conditions, deliver fast and personalized service for customers, or explore new business chances not possible before. But what does real time mean for the running business? From the business user point of view, one of the most important definition is low latency, meaning how fast the application responds to a click or other user interaction, independent on a computer or a mobile device. Ideally, users expect that the input data is processed within milliseconds and they receive immediate responses. Real time means also always having the latest up to date information about application data and state. Example, the current stock market prices, airline seat availability, latest deadlines for delivery, accurate information on inventory, value, status receipt, location and disposition, and react in real time to incoming events. The events can be of various nature and span from the simple notification. Example, the vacation request was approved in the system. Broadcasting. Example, new purchase prices are available and must be distributed to the users. Process control information. Example, delivery of sales orders took place. The billing process for customers can start. Two events which require immediate reaction. Example, illegal trade pattern is detected. Another aspect of real time is best support for collaborative scenarios. Example, business users work on the same data records, collaboration platforms, interaction centers. All in all, developing real-time application in ABAP is about the fast event-driven, highly interactive and collaborative scenarios which must be supported in ABAP applications. How is it implemented in ABAP? ABAP development or SAP HANA enables real-time processing for huge amounts of business data by exploiting the strength of in-memory technology. Using SAP UI5 SAP Fiori on top, as ABAP offers real-time UI experience and simplified business interactions by means of intuitive, highly responsive, consistent UI across multiple devices. The ABAP channels complete the real-time offering by supporting interactive and collaborative scenarios based on event-driven, independent of database. Yes, not only on HANA and UI. Yes, it works also as prototype for Dynpros. ABAP channels infrastructure is general available with SAP NetWeaver as ABAP 7.40. Support package 5 SP05. Real-time UI access to ABAP data with ABAP push channel APC. As discussed above, one of the important real-time characteristics is immediate access to users to the frequently changing business information and data in ABAP backend. Within will support timely business insights, decision making and productivity. The examples for this can be, for instance, bringing the irregularly and often changing product information and sale conditions to browser UI, SAP UI5, WebDynpro, ABAP, BSP. As soon as data change takes place in the ABAP backend, real-time UI access to ABAP data with ABAP push channel. As discussed above, one of the important real-time characteristics is immediate access of users to the frequently changing business information and data in ABAP backend, which will support timely business insights, decision making and productivity. The examples for this can be, for instance, bringing the regularly and often changing product information and sale conditions to browser UI, SAP UI5, WebDynpro, ABAP, BSP. As soon as data change takes place in the ABAP backend, pushing short-lived financial data relevant for trades to the browser, UI, statistics, process information, sales figures in different areas, financial statistics, manufacturing process status. In all these cases, the data presentation on UI, charts, diagrams, text and numbers must be updated immediately accordingly to the modified data in the ABAP backend. In such situations, in order to present the latest up-to-date information from the ABAP backend in real time on the browser-based UI, most ABAP applications used polling techniques with multi-seconds intervals or refresh button periodically to get newest updates to UI. These approaches are quite resource consuming, result in insufficient performance and poor user experience. The availability of real-time data in ABAP backend is unpredictable and it is unnecessary effort to make requests and open and close HTTP connections. The ABAP push channel APC technology replaces such inefficient polling approach through web sockets. ABAP push channels is bi-directional message-based communication channel representing the web socket integration in ABAP, allowing example to push notification to the UI as soon as data change in ABAP backend happens. This is a sign for a user to request the changed data from ABAP backend and update UI. Real-time communication between ABAP sessions with ABAP messaging channel AMC. Other aspect of the real-time behavior is reacting immediately to the events. Event-driven communication between ABAP sessions across the boundaries of ABAP application servers will streamline the business process, workflow, speed up performance and reduce the rate of consumption of database resources. An ABAP application might need be identified and the react to certain events in the other ABAP session as soon as they occur. Moreover, an ABAP application might involve data processing in order to provide some output to be delivered to another application running another ABAP session and therefore has to send notification. Traditionally, to realize such real-time event-driven behavior, ABAP applications often poll periodically for the state information on the database. Bottleneck problems on the database may occur with numerous active polling from many ABAP applications simultaneously. One of the examples of such real life situations can be long running calculations, sales statistics, loan calculations. A user may initiate a loan calculation via a synchronized RFC and it is running so long that he is not anymore interested in the status of calculations and the results and may want to proceed with other actions. In such case, the running session initiated example by RFC only consumers resources and the calculation must be stopped. In current implementations, the ABAP application polls for the status of the calculation on the database. Another example is long running batch jobs. Mass data changes create deliveries from open sales orders, create invoices, which process data gradually. To simulate the real-time behavior, the calling ABAP session polls in short-time intervals on the database for the status in order to request already processed data or get updated information. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.